This study material is exactly what you need. These premium handwritten notes are prepared according to the latest syllabus and cover all chapters in a simple, easy-to-understand, and completely exam-oriented format. The notes include important topics such as mathematical modeling, transfer functions, block diagram reduction, signal flow graphs, time response analysis, stability analysis, Routh-Hurwitz criterion, root locus, frequency response, Nyquist plots, Bode plots, state space analysis, and controller design. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal assessments, back paper exams, or gate revision, these notes will help you understand concepts quickly, revise efficiently, and score better marks. If you find this study material helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. You can download the complete control system, Engineering Handwritten Notes PDF from the link provided in the description below. Start your preparation today.